To start, grab 2 pool noodles and some duct tape. Curve your noodles into a circle and cut to the size you want. Or you can use the entire length depending on how big you want it to be. Once you're happy with the size, tape the ends of the pool noodles together. Next, grab some ornaments and hot glue them to the outer ring and inner ring of the circle. You can use any color ornaments here to fit the rest of your Christmas decor. Then pile ornaments on the top to cover up the pool noodles entirely. Fill in small spaces with smaller ornaments. After the ornaments are secure, grab some dried greenery and glue it to the ornaments to add even more fullness to the wreath. I use eucalyptus because it lasts. This way, I don't have to replace the greenery every year, but you can use any kind you want. Even faux greenery will work. Finally, wrap some battery-operated LED lights in between the ornaments and greenery and secure it to the back of the wreath. Hang it up and enjoy! I absolutely love how this wreath turned out. Such a fun, customizable dollar store Christmas decor idea. I hope this inspires you to make a giant Christmas wreath of your own. Happy holidays!